wabarakatuh. Dear honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Salsabila Nurul Azhara. I'm from Senior High School 1 Patianrowo. Today, I would like to tell you about a story. The title is A Little Seahorse and a Kite Song. Well, have a nice start? Check it out. A little seahorse and a kite song. One day, there was a little seahorse named Stevia who was lost in the deep sea. She had been lost there for almost 2 days and 2 nights. Accompanied by expressing fear and hunger, she continued to swim here and there without direction and purpose to find her way home. No longer able to endure the fatigue and hunger, Stevia decided to take a short break behind a large rock. And without realizing it, there was a pair of big red eyes that continued to watch her in the darkness of the deep sea. Stevia began to fall asleep due to the unbearable sleepiness she had been feeling for past 2 days. Little did she know that the big red eyes that had been watching her were getting closer, 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 and closer, until they were right in front of Stevia's sleeping place. Stevia began to feel claustrophobic, making her open her eyes slowly and her surprise. She saw a shark with its mouth open, ready to eat her. Stevia began to shed her tears and said to the shark, "Please, don't eat me. I'm still small, and my meat is not good." As if ignoring Stevia's word, the shark continued to stare at her sharply, making Stevia cry and beg her even more. As the minutes passed, the shark began to open its mouth, and Stevia also began to close her eyes tightly. She had resigned herself to being eaten by the shark. "Are you lost?" The question by the shark managed to make Stevia shocked and confused. With great hastily and fear, she answered, "I'm lost." "Isn't it a pity? Where your home is?" The shark asked again, making Stevia stutter to answer. "My home?" "Yes, your home. I will take you back to your home." The answer that the shark was just saying managed to make Stevia shake. She was confused whether to believe or not with the shark. After all, sharks are predators who like to prey on small seahorses like her. It could be that the shark was just deceiving her, and later he would eat her when she was careless. The suspicion continued to pass through her mind, making her silent for a long time. Stevia's reverie immediately was broken when the shark said, "Hey, are you afraid of me? Take it easy. I'm a vegetarian shark. I don't eat other fish. I only eat seaweed." where your home is. The shark asked Stevia again, who didn't believe him. My home is on the north side of the reef, replied Stevia hastily. Well, come up to me. I'll take you. With great hastily and fear, Stevia climbed onto the shark back, and the two of them set off for Stevia's boat. And sure, for almost 6 hours, the cluster of coral reef began to appear. Stevia was very happy because she was finally back home. But when she arrived at the edge of cluster coral, the shark stopped and told her to get off. He did this because he was worried that other fish would be scared to see her. Stevia got off from the shark bank and thanked him. Thank you very much for taking me. I'm sorry I jumped to you.
No problem. It's only natural when see horse like you to be afraid of me. I'm sorry, I can't take you to your house. I'm afraid that other fish will be scared to see me,
explained the shark to Stevia. I understand. No problem. This is more than enough. Thank you very much, Mr. Shark, replied Stevia.
David. Call me David. And what is your name?
Asked David to Stevia. My name is Stevia, she replied.
Well, Stevia, take care of yourself and until next time,
said David to Stevia while swimming away from Stevia and the cluster of the coral reef. You also take care of yourself, David. Until next time, and thank you very much, said Stevia to David, who had moved away while shouting a little. After David was no longer visible, Stevia started walking back to her house while smiling happily. This incident made her realize that we should not judge people by the outside, as the saying goes. Don't judge a book by its cover, because honestly, we don't know the contents of everybody's heart. A good face is not necessarily a good heart, and a bad face is not necessarily a bad heart. So, judge people by what they do and not by how they look. Well, that's all the story of a little seahorse and a kind shark. Thanks for your nice attention. I'd like to say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.